Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to share location on WhatsApp. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on WhatsApp app and choose someone. Okay, just tap on plus icon and click on location. Share okay, settings, and first of all your location on accessibility and scroll down. Okay, search location. Okay, then on location, then back. Okay, allow once and time set and send. To share location on WhatsApp. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.